everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about Cosrx products. If you know, you know, this brand has been popular from quite a while, mostly because of its snail mucin. Now, a lot of people have like a love-hate kind of relationship with this particular brand because some people like their product and while others completely hate their product. I feel like there's no in-between, either you love it or you completely hate it. And for me, I love some of their products while I completely hate others. And in this video, I'm going to talk about Snail mucin line. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So the first product that I'm going to talk about is the most viral, most hyped up, and yeah, that is Cosrx Snail mucin. Now this product contains 96% of snail secretion filtrate, which makes it intensely moisturizing. This particular product is amazing if you're looking for the deep hydration on your skin, because this hydrates your skin on the deeper level. Then it also helps repairing your skin, and for long run it helps in reducing the appearance of your fine lines. It helps dealing with the hyperpigmentation. So it's like an amazing product if it suits you, because this product is very slim in consistency. I personally don't like this product because I don't feel like it is enough hydrating for my extra dry dehydrated skin. This product is rich in vitamins and nutrients, also infused with pentothal, allantoin and arginine to boost your skin elasticity, and it is suitable for all skin types including sensitive skin. Now Cosrx products are paraben free, ethanol synthetic and fragrance free. So they are suitable for people with sensitive skin and people who have like hyperallergic skin. These products can suit your skin type. But if you are someone with very dry dehydrated skin like I do, I don't think this product alone can hydrate your skin. If you use the whole mucin line, it may suit your skin. Again, the slimy texture is something I personally don't like, but if you can bear with the texture that this product has, it is capable of giving you all those mentioned skin benefits. Now coming to our second product, it's the Cosrx Snail cream. I have seen a lot of people using and loving this cream. So this is a 100 gram of product that costs $17.04 on YesStyle. Now this cream also includes 92% of snail secretion filtrate that can drench your skin with the needed moisture. Not only this, it helps repairing your skin damage and it promotes healing in your skin. So if you are someone who has very troubled skin, this is the product to go for. It is a very non-sticky formula, yet it is capable of giving you very healthy looking beautiful skin. And for long run, again, this product helps in reducing the appearance of your wrinkles. It is very moisturizing yet lightweight formula. Again, for people with normal to dry skin, you can go in with this product. People with sensitive oily skin can go in with this product. But if you are someone with very dry dehydrated skin, this alone cannot moisturize your skin enough. I don't think it's hydrating enough for my skin type. If you use these two products combined, then you can get the maximum hydration even with the very dry skin. What I'm talking about is that all these products alone cannot hydrate dry skin. So the third product that I want to talk about is the face wash. So this face wash is a 150 ml of product that costs $20.48 on YesStyle. This face wash contains 10,000 ppm of snail secretion filtrate, which basically delivers powerful regenerative and hydrating effects on your skin. So when you wash your face using this face wash, it doesn't dry out your skin, yet it is packed with the properties that can clear out the impurities from your skin and can protect your skin barrier. The best part about this face wash is that it is suitable for people who have hyperallergic skin, and this also passed the skin hyperallergic test as well. So this is an amazing product for people with sensitive and allergic skin. The next product that I'm going to talk about is Cosrx Snail Peptide Eye Cream. Now this is a 25 ml of product that costed $19.87 on YesStyle. Now this is a multifunctional eye cream that rejuvenates, hydrates and repairs your under eye area. This cream contains 5 different types of peptides and snail secretion filtrate in it to reduce the appearance of fine lines and increase your skin's elasticity. This product also contains niacinamide that helps brightening up your dark under eye circles. So this is effective if you have dark circles under your eyes. Though this has all these good ingredients, still this product is very light in texture, and the best part about this product is that the pump packaging, because this has an airless pump packaging, so there is no way that air can enter in this product. The last product that I'm going to talk about is one of my most favorite products product and I repurchased this product twice. Now this 80 ml of product costed $27.34. Now this product contains 74.3% of triple snail complex, and if you see the packaging, there are two different products on this packaging. The light one is the Power Essence and the other side is the cream. So this product has been made to boost the hydration level on your skin, and it has a very nice consistency. This is the only product that has very less slimy texture. It does have a little, but it's like quite bearable, at least for me. As the name says, dual, this works as an essence and a creme. It is very moisturizing, very rich in texture when you apply it on your skin. It helps giving you that glass skin, that beautiful glow on your skin. It also has penthol in it, and the major ingredient also include 5% of niacinamide, which helps in brightening up your overall complexion and helps dealing with your skin concern. That is all that I wanted to share with you guys about this product. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video with more informative content. Till then, bye bye.